A dozen Russian main battle tanks and armored vehicles were reportedly destroyed by Ukrainian artillery. The footage from the Ukrainian armed forces shows multiple explosions as the Russian military is holed up in industrial warehouses surrounded by fields on all sides at the northwest edge of Izium. The artillery strike led to the complete destruction or damage of various military equipment. Some combat vehicles caught fire. According to a statement from the Ukrainian military, they successfully destroyed up to 10 tanks and 8 armored vehicles. Furthermore, 4 engineering vehicles and 30 trucks were destroyed,